the Fed's ultimate card, decoding the FOMC dot plot in 2 minutes. Right now, the whole financial world is holding its breath for the Fed's March interest rate decision. Since everyone already expects them to keep rates exactly where they are, the actual rate isn't the main event anymore. Instead, all eyes are on one specific chart that could shake up the market in seconds, the dot plot. Why does one simple chart have so much control over the US dollar, gold, and the stock market? Today, DBG Markets takes 2 minutes to break it down for you. So, what exactly is the dot plot? Simply put, it's the Fed's internal policy radar. The Federal Reserve has 19 officials. At the end of every quarter, meaning March, June, September, and December, each of them plots a single dot on a chart. That dot shows where they personally think interest rates are heading in the future. This is basically like having the top policymakers lay their cards face up on the table. It doesn't just tell us what the Fed did today. It tells us what they plan to do tomorrow. So why is the March dot plot so critical? Because the market is currently sitting at an incredibly sensitive crossroads. After dealing with sticky inflation data and the geopolitical shockwaves from the US-Iran conflict, the market desperately needs to confirm the Fed's true stance. What traders care about most is the median, or the middle dot. If most of the dots move higher, it means officials want fewer rate cuts this year, or they want to keep rates high for longer. For the market, that is a massive warning sign. Understanding this chart tells you exactly how to trade next. If the dot plot hints that high rates are here to stay, the US dollar will likely shoot up instantly, while gold and expensive stocks will face heavy selling. But if the dot plot shows they are still planning to cut rates as before, we could see a massive rally in the stock market. So the rate decision itself is just the appetizer. The dot plot is the main course that sets the real trend. The bottom line, don't just stare at the rate decision. The real driver for the market over the next few months is that chart full of dots. Understand the dot plot, and you understand the Fed's playbook for the rest of the year. This is DBG Markets, keeping you ahead of the curve. See you next time.